Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is about the scalper widget on DEXT terminal. Under the scalper widget, you have two options. One is the normal scalper and the another one is option scalper. Let me show you how to use it. We are on the DEXT terminal and we'll start applying the scalping widgets one by one. On the top right, we'll click on the widgets button and we have two options here. One is the normal scalper. So we'll add it in the bottom window. We'll select the script, let's say lines. And from here, you can directly buy and sell the stock. This is mainly for equity. For a better use, you can also put Reliance chart here. And then you can place your buy and sell trades directly from here. Going to the option scalper. So now we'll add the option scalper. We'll select the same script, lines. So now you can buy Reliance ATM call, OTM or ITM calls and puts as well from here. You can change the strike, expiry, and whether you want a call option or a put option, you can modify it. And you can directly buy or sell it. You can adjust the quantity as well. So this is option scalper on DEXT. Do try it out and let us know your feedback in the comments. Thank you.
Investments in the securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.